this is Ryan Brandenberger from Barletta Boat Company. I'm the Southeast Regional Sales Manager, and today I'm going to show you our L23 arch boat. It's an L23UCA arch. This feature actually has the double Bimini on it, so that's something that we do down south quite a bit. The double Bimini is really cool this year for the arch. It actually zips into the arch up here, gives you a nice full coverage on the boat. With this arch, the Bimini does go back another 10 feet, so full coverage on the boat. Just as you see this, this is our double Bimini option for an arch boat. That's on the 25, 21, or 23 on all different models there. So real quick here, we're gonna go over the L23UCA. Again, the UC model, the Ultra Lounge with the co-captain chair, is probably our #1 selling floor plan. It's pretty easy to see why as we walk through it here. Ton of seating up here. You can get 2 people very comfortably, 3 if you have to. Plenty of room. I'm about 5'9", so plenty of room to lounge out here. Got the armrest here, so we wanted to give you enough seating up here without taking any weight at the back of the boat with the Ultra Lounge, because that's really where this boat stands out. So great seating up here. As we move back, got the co-captain's chairs. Those are standard. The nice thing about Barletta, and one thing that people don't realize, is on the 23 and 25 foot boats, from here back, everything's the same size. Where we put our length is in the front of the boat here at the seating. So on the 23, we're giving you from here back is the exact same as a bigger boat, because we want to make that utilize that space back here. This is really the standout of this boat is the Ultra Lounge. It has been since we made it, and we just kept innovating more and more. So in the 2021 models, sitting up position, facing forward is normal. You just simply roll it back. Now you're lounging facing backwards. This was an industry first when we came out with it. Now you have a full bed, which is great. As we've had for the past couple years, you've got a lounge facing forward position, both sides. Last year on the L-Class, we added sitting back position. So now you can sit facing backwards, and this is really, really cool. I don't even know when we came up with the sitting backwards position. I'm not even sure we thought about this as much, but I started showing this way. Now you've got bench seating on both sides. So this is a great seating position, because now when you start talking about people, capacity, and all that kind of stuff that people are really concerned about with the size of the boat, you have 2 people, 4 people, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 comfortable people here. This seating configuration, again, the versatility of this, you can lounge facing backwards, sit backwards, face forward, sit forward, backwards, all these positions. The Ultra Lounge is just a killer. And then you add on to it the arch on this boat. The arch is power, it is hydraulic. With a full 10-foot Bimini. We've got speakers up here. We've got a light up here for the RGB lights. So just a really great layout. And again, back here, the extended aft deck. This really turns into the area where everyone utilizes the boat when you're just sitting here floating like this, or if you come to a sandbar or a beach, just a great layout. Fender holders, everything's very accessible. So again, this is the L23UCA arch boat, model year 2021. It's the L-Class, and that's pretty much it.